Let's see how to paint in Canva. Painting in Canva is actually pretty simple. First thing you're gonna have to do is create a design. In this case, let's just choose whiteboard. Next, we're gonna have to look onto the left side of the screen on the same column where the Elements tab is. If we go down, we can see that now there's a Draw tab. Clicking on it will show us pen, marker, and highlighter and eraser. If we go down more, we can also see that we can change the color of what we're drawing with. Let's say I want to draw a square with different colors for each side. We're gonna have to draw each side separately and change the color every time. This is how it's gonna look. I will first choose marker and draw the top of the square. I change the color to orange for the left side. Change the color to green for the bottom. Change the color to blue for the right side. You can draw whatever you want using this feature. And that's it. That's how you paint in Canva. See you soon.